Hey y'all, got a little secret to share today. If you're looking to shed that stubborn belly fat and love exploring new foods, have I got a treat for you? We're talking about 3 amazing Jamaican veggies that'll not only spice up your meals but help you trim down that waistline. So let's dive right in. First up, the powerhouse callaloo. Now, callaloo is like the Jamaican cousin of spinach, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's super low in calories but rich in fiber, which means it keeps you full longer and helps you avoid those pesky snack cravings. You can sauté it, steam it, or even blend it into a smoothie. It's incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes, from soups to salads, making it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Trust me, your belly fat won't know what hit it. The nutrients in callaloo also help in detoxifying your body, which is an added bonus. Next, we have Scotch bonnet peppers. Don't be scared off by the heat. These peppers are not just about the spice. They are a treasure trove of health benefits. These fiery little peppers are packed with capsaicin, which can boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat faster. Capsaicin is known to increase the rate at which your body burns calories, making it a great addition to your weight loss journey. Plus, they add a fabulous kick to any dish, making healthy eating a whole lot more exciting. Imagine spicing up your soups, stews, and even your morning omelet with these vibrant peppers. Just remember, a little goes a long way, so start small and work your way up. You don't want to overwhelm your taste buds, but a little bit of heat can go a long way in making your meals more enjoyable. And last but not least, say hello to breadfruit. This starchy wonder is a fantastic substitute for potatoes or rice. It's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's loaded with fiber and complex carbs, which keep your blood sugar levels stable and prevent the dreaded belly fat accumulation. The fiber content in breadfruit helps in digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer periods. Bake it, roast it, or even fry it in coconut oil for a deliciously healthy treat. Breadfruit can be used in a variety of recipes, from savory dishes to sweet desserts, making it a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. Breadfruit's got your back when it comes to fighting off those extra pounds. Its high nutrient content also supports overall health, making it a great addition to your diet. So there you have it, folks. 3 incredible Jamaican veggies to help you on your journey to a slimmer waistline. Incorporating these veggies into your diet can make a significant difference in your weight loss efforts. Remember, incorporating these into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise, is the key to success. A healthy lifestyle is all about balance, and these veggies can be a great part of that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more valuable content to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Stay healthy and keep exploring new foods.